That's ridiculous.
It is ridiculous. And then you kind of hold on. I need to blow my nose.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Go mute. She muted. She muted. Remember that one time, babe?
Yeah.
Unmute.
I remember I felt so bad when I said it on stream. I'm like, maybe I shouldn't have said that. Yeah, the shower incident. Yeah, it was a shower incident.
Oh yeah, we should, for the newer viewers, we should probably...
The newer viewers. Yeah. What were we doing? I think we were just chatting.
Yeah, we were just,
Like,
everyone was chilling in the Discord, I think.
Yeah.
And then you joined while you were in the shower, and you like were saying in chat. I was like, "Oh, sorry, I can't talk because I'm in the shower right now."
Yeah.
And I was like, "Unmute."
Yeah, I did, but you couldn't hear anything.
Yeah,
I just
Discord,
went back
you know,
on mute.
noise reduction.
Yeah.
Missed
I
opportunity.
didn't wanted to listen. It was good conversation.
Yeah, sometimes it's too hard to. That was the cute host.
Oh gosh.
That's such an adorable sneeze.
No. No.
You're welcome, chat.
Okay.
もしも君じゃなかったら苦しむこともない
俺の行く末密かにありそうのけど
もしもあの時会わなけりゃなんて意味ないこと